Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I let Instagram pick out my makeup. So I posted like little polls on Instagram of each like product, and then my followers like chose which product they wanted me to use. So I have those here today, and I'm just gonna be doing a full face using the makeup that you guys chose. So yeah, keep watching for that. But hold up, before anything else happens, bam, that subscribe button right there, I know you see it, click it. Boom, one and done. That's all you gotta do. It would really help me out. But without further ado, let's get going. The first product I had you guys choose was my concealer, I believe. So the choice was between the Jeffree Star concealer and NARS Creamy Radiant, and NARS was the winner, so I'll be using this one. So I'm just gonna put this under my eyes and kind of little triangles. And then recently I've been using a brush to blend out my concealer. So I'm literally just using this like $1 Wet n Wild flat paddle brush and blending it out. Since I don't wear foundation, I feel like I need all the coverage I can get from my concealer, and a brush gives you more coverage than like a beauty blender does. So I've kind of just been enjoying using a brush. Okay, so that's the concealer done. So the next product that Instagram chose was loose powder. The choice was between the Fenty Beauty loose powder and the Glossier loose powder, and the Fenty Beauty powder won. So here it is. I have shade Lavender, and I haven't used this in a while because the lavender shade is like really light, as you can see. Like, it's basically white. So I've been a little bit tanner, so I've been trying not to use it. But you know, we're gonna try it out today and see if it looks crazy. I really thought this powder had a smell, but I'm really not smelling it right now. Oh, there it is. There's a smell. Wow, it actually didn't make my under eyes any lighter or anything. It did good. It didn't do anything crazy. I don't have like a white cast or anything. I am looking a little pale, but we are going to change that with the next step, which is bronzer. We lost a soldier here. So you guys picked between the Fenty bronzer and the NARS bronzer, and y'all chose Fenty. You have my back. That's my fave. So now we're going to warm up this face. If we're not together, then it's probably for a reason. Okay, so I'm going to take this Wet n Wild. I've literally only used Wet n Wild brushes so far. This little like little domed brush, and take the Fenty bronzer in shade Buyin' Girl, Buyin' Gal, boop boop boop, and then work that into my cheekbones. See, just like, it's so, it just brings so much warmth to my face, which is so needed. Like, look at the difference, please. So I always put sunscreen on my face, but not so much on my body. So my body is usually a good amount tanner than my face. So I like going heavy with bronzer to kind of make it match my body. Okay, automatically looks so much better. I love this. I'm so happy that you guys picked this. I stan. Okay, so next item is blush. And I had you guys choose between a kind of like peachy pink blush from Milani and a kind of pinker, more cool toned blush from Bobbi Brown. And the winner is Milani. So this is the Milani Luminoso blush. It has such a pretty sheen. I've loved this blush for so long. This blush is so flattering. It brings just the right amount of like flush to your cheeks with a little bit of sheen, so you kind of get that glow with it. It's just really cute and also affordable. So I'm just gonna take an angled brush. This is what I use blush for, and throw that on the cheeks. And I also put some on the bridge of my nose to kind of give that sun-kissed effect. Okay, so there it is with the blush. It brings like a little life to your face, you know what I mean? And just so pretty. It has, you can see that kind of dewy dewiness. I love. I really think that you should have this in your collection. Like, even if you don't like blush, this is so, you can make it so subtle, and it makes, I don't know, it just looks so good. Okay, next item is highlight. So the two contenders were Becca Champagne Pop and Kylie Drippin' in Diamonds, I want to say, and Becca won. So Champagne Pop it is. I'm going to take yet another Wet n Wild brush. Look how pretty that is. It's not glittery at all, it's just a sheen, like, oh my god, looks so good. I do also really like that Kylie highlighter though, so I wouldn't have been mad with that either. You like don't even have to apply a lot of this and you're already like shining. I just dropped it. I'm scared to pick it up. It survived. And then I'm gonna highlight my nose. Cute. I love. Okay, so next is eyeshadow, and I had you guys choose between two Jeffree Star palettes. One was Blue Blood, and that's obviously like a blue color scheme, and one was Blood Sugar, and that is more like reddy pink. And you guys chose Blood Sugar, so I'll be doing, I don't really know what kind of look I'll be doing. I'm just gonna let the palette take me along for the ride. First, I'm gonna prime with MAC's Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. So this is what Blood Sugar looks like. I love this color scheme so much. I want to do like a pinky red look. I kind of want to stay away from the neutrals and like go bold, you know? So first I'm going to go in with Tongue Pop, which is this peachy pink color there, and use that as my transition shade in the crease. I think I'm going to try a cut crease even though I'm so bad at them. Like, I've never been able to do one successfully. So why not give it a go? So now I think I'm gonna go in with Cherry Soda and deepen the crease a little bit more. So this is one of these looks that's basically just going to look insane until the end, and then it'll all come together. That color's so bright, I love it. Okay, and then I'm gonna deepen it even further with Fresh Meat. The name of that color is literally so fitting. Okay, so now I'm going to attempt to cut the crease. I'm going to try to use my concealer to do so, and like a little flat paddle brush like these. The problem is I have like super hooded eyes, so like even if I do cut the crease, like you can't really see it. Did I do it? Is that how you do it? See how hooded my eyes are? Look. Look how much is hiding under there. Okay, so you know what? That is my cut crease. I don't know how to fix it or make it better, but that's that. So I think I'm gonna go in to Candy Floss now. This is a little like shimmery baby pink color, and put that where I just put the concealer. I think I'm going to spray that shade a little bit to make it a little more vibrant. Okay, so I think that looks pretty good. That's kind of as good as it's going to get on my eye shape. But now I'm going to take a pencil brush and take, let's take Tongue Pop, that first peachy pink color, and smudge it on the waterline. I think that's all I want to do down there. I don't want to go too crazy on the lower lash line and take away from that situation. So yeah, I think we are done with Blood Sugar. So the next thing that was voted on was whether or not I should do eyeliner, and you guys said yes, so I'm gonna do a little wing. Okay, so there's the look with a little wing. So the next vote was mascara, and you guys chose between Milk Kush Mascara and the Maybelline Lash Paradise, I want to say. And you guys chose good old Milk. So this one is just like a really big fluffy brush with kind of a more like whipped formula. I really like this mascara. If you like big brushes, then you would really like this one. Speaking of lashes and Milk, Milk has this new Grow House lash serum that I really want to try. It also is supposed to like work for your brows too, but my brow hair grows faster than my regular hair, so They don't need any help. And last but not least, the item that you guys chose was my lipstick. I had you guys choose between a nude and a color. And the nude was Charlotte Tilbury Kim KW. And the color was Fenty's Seesaw. It's like a really neon orange. And I was so scared that y'all are going to pick the blue blood palette for the eyes and the orange lipstick. But you guys didn't do that. You didn't do me dirty like that. So thank you. And you guys ended up choosing the nude, which I think is going to look really, really cool with these eyes. So this is kind of a light nude. So I am going to throw on a lip liner. This is a Maybelline lip liner in the shade Pink Wink. I've actually never used it before, so hopefully the color's good. It's a little pink, but that's okay. It almost looks like frosted. Is it frosted? It might be. Oh god. I think it is frosted. I don't know if I like that. I thought lip liners being matte was just kind of like a rule. And so this is what the lipstick looks like. It's so pretty. I don't like it with that liner. I'm just gonna cover it up. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I think it's so cute. You guys really picked some good products, and like they're all so cohesive and go together. This was so much fun. I kind of want to do this again with some like different products and like different color schemes and stuff, because I'll get like a completely different look. So thank you so much to anyone who like participated and voted in my little polls on my Instagram. I am so happy with this look. I love it. It's so fun to just sit down and play with makeup. It's so like cathartic almost. That lipstick is so creamy. That formula is like probably the nicest lipstick formula I've ever used, and the price would agree. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. So yeah, stay on fleek, friends. Bye.